Hello, English, man. Woman. Okay, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman. Okay, man. M A N. M-A-N. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. W-O-M-A-N. That's woman. Man. Okay? Now, small, boy and girl. Okay? Boy and girl. Okay? Boy, girl. Boy, small. Man, big. Man is big, and boy, small. Okay? Big, small. Woman, big or small? Big. Oops. Okay. Girl, big or small? Small. Okay. Girl is small. Man, big or small? Big. Boy, big or small? Small. B-O-Y, boy. Girl, G-I-R-L. Girl, small. Boy, small. Man, big. Woman, big. Okay? Now, grandma and grandpa. Okay? Grandpa, big or small? Big. Grandpa big, grandpa small. I don't know. Big maybe? Grandpa and grandma. Big, okay? Grandpa, grandma. Now, this one. Boyfriend and girlfriend. First, it's just friend. Friend. Boyfriend, girlfriend. See heart? Heart. The heart. Right? So boyfriend and girlfriend. This is friend. Friend. Right? They are playing with the ball. Playing. They are playing with the ball. Okay? Ball's right here. See? Friend. Okay? Oh. Let me erase this. Eraser! Alright. Let's do, how about man? Okay? Man is big. Big. Right? Man is big. M-A-N-I-S-B-I-G. Man is big. Really, we say the man is big. The man is big. The man is big. Okay? Woman. The woman is what? Is what? Is big. Period. Period at the end. Okay? Well, the boy. The boy. The boy is big or small. Big or small. Small. The boy is small. The girl is... What is the girl? What is the girl? The girl is small. Once more. The man is big. The woman is big. The boy is small. The girl is small. Good.